When I think of lasagna, it reminds me of a Sunday family meal at my parents'. But not this lasagna. This one here is gonna take no time at all, and I'm gonna make it for my husband and I on a Monday night. Now, I'm starting off with a classic combination of ground beef. Here's my little tip to kick this up a notch. I'm using Italian sausage, and I've just taken it out of the casing. What's amazing is that it's already seasoned with so many good flavors. Now, the trick to any great lasagna is to get that meat browned up. Color means flavor. So I want to get a ton of that in here. Of course, my lasagna has onions and garlic, like just about everything I make. Now it's time for one of my favorite parts, the cheese. And I want that nice ooey and gooey flavor in that lasagna. So I'm starting off with a little bit of mozzarella. And mozzarella is a really mild cheese, and it has that nice stringiness to this. The creamy part, though, is all in this cottage cheese. Now, I've always got this in my fridge, and it's perfect. If you don't have this, you can also use ricotta. Now, I'm not sure if you know this, but thyme and oregano are actually from the mint family, and they're super woodsy, and they're perfect pairings for a tomato sauce. An egg to bind this all together, like the glue. Ah, look at that. Okay, as you can imagine, the star of any tomato sauce are those tomatoes. And I love the combination of both diced tomatoes and a little tomato sauce. My mom would be so proud. This is the start of something so nice. This lasagna comes together so quickly, I want to make sure the multi-cooker is ready for it. So just a little water, and that's going to help it cook. And I tidied up a little bit to make space for this lasagna building. There's something so special about making a lasagna with fresh noodles. Look at this gorgeous yellow eggy color. And I love the smell of fresh pasta. I cut them into circles so they fit this pan. And now I'm ready to roll. A layer of tomato meat sauce, then your cheese, and I like to add a bit of spinach so I can get my greens. Then your cheese, and repeat. Pressure's on, and I'm gonna have a lasagna for two in no time. I'm not sure you can ever have enough parmigiano reggiano on top of your lasagna. Now, you can also just pop this under the broiler to get the cheese a little more golden, but I am starving. I can hardly wait.